Hottest boy in the music industry. But when it comes to the political space, leave that hottest boy's title for Governor Wike. That's Governor Yeson Wike, my governor. The commissioner of the commissioning. Yes, he's been delivering a lot. Mm-hmm. Anyway, you welcome that na Banana, Ashake and Fireboy. Before that one, yes, Star Plus, Run Away. Everybody want actually run away, but since 2006, now they sing that song. Even one of the Star Plus don't run away actually. Who be that guy? Who be the... What be the... Who be the Star Plus member when don't run away go US?
Run away go US.
When they busy. I think Timmy.
No, but Tunde.
One of them. Tunde.
No, one of them. I think one of them
is it Tunde?
So.
No, one of them not late.
That one late.
No one late.
No, that one.
No, we talk about the one we sing Call My Name. These ones then we did the last three.
The last three now we talk about not before. Now Tunde na idea.
When people talk Star Plus, nobody they talk about the guy we did before they come Blow now.
Blow, yeah. Nobody talk about that one.
They mention and say they've been there together until
nobody
they talk about Star
Plus
now. They make reference to the ones we sing Olufumi and Call My Name. That guy know they are around that time. Now one I be the Star Plus.
And the three of them blow now. The four of them not blow.
Yeah, three of
them
blow.
Now people when they do background check, now they find out say they will even follow you get. But last everybody go run away. Now where you want run go now you need to find out because the country where they run go they don't want plenty people like that. Welcome to Across the Beach Tuesday edition. My name is Rambi.
My own name is Becca Blade.
You don't hear the voice of Lady J. They are sampling one of NaijaFM. Also the first verse of NaijaFM, Godwin Aruwayo. You don't hear name. Sharply, we'll just start with this one first. Godwin, you know, there's reason why I want to share this yarns with you now, right now, and I think we feel. I don't know. Now let me hear some tears on the ground.
Not only you know they hear anything.
I've been at my village people. So during the weekend, Barack Obama, the former president of United States, actually win Emmy Award on top saying narrate one Netflix documentary.
Yes.
Now apart from this award, he don't win two Oscar award on top saying play role. I think yes. Now
his wife self win one when you get one with the wife win for something where she do one reality
show, right?
Show where she
do. I think
yeah,
you don't work. Now, whoever feel say an ex-president or former president go see the one hustle to make money because whether you like it or not, that documentary he was paid.
Definitely now.
You get me? This go only happen in the same country because when he did as president, he not thief money.
And then when they come out, what
they
do be say when they come out, they go they write their memoirs.
Yeah,
they go.
Now they find way to make more money.
They write their memoirs.
They go
need to write. I need to write a book so that people go.
Yeah,
they go get some kinds influential with their friends who go gather money to help them build their library. They go choose where they want to. Most of them they like to go back to their home state.
Yeah.
Go build a presidential library there. Yeah. So two things all the presidents they do. They build presidential library. They go write their memoirs and then they go speaking engagement around the world.
Where?
Conference, motivational speaking.
Paid for Ramo.
Yeah, no, now that one I be the money now.
They paid for Ramo.
They go speaking engagements. They go they pay them, plenty money to go speak for different places. They make appearance and all that, So they get a part to when you be president. They get a part for life to make money legally. You understand?
Yeah.
Because if you thief money, they'll arrest you. They go know say you thief money. But say for there. The fact say you be president no mean say if you just approve money anyhow nobody will ask questions. Just like we dey here now they say president say me then go give Niger Republic 1 point something to buy motor.
You not
go through Senate, you not go through House of Rep. Even if you go there, those on a rubber stamp.
They go stamp am.
Why did not just wake up to say we feel like to go give one country one money without due process? They go question and you understand? But for Africa, say the presidents they behave like emperors.
Yes.
Not believe president, the governors too.
If anybody
where they in charge of money for Africa, presidents, governors, ministers, they be like God, small God.
People when they share jollof rice for party too.
They're like small God. Nobody go ask them. You don't be like I don't go visit. I don't go governor lodge. I don't go governor house. Go visit where we go. Whatever carry me go governor. Where we say The food where we eat for the governor, now buffet now, the table long like 2 times this studio length. And then when they ask one of the people, they say, God, what's it? He said, I saw it be morning, afternoon, evening. This table not empty.
So tell me why people like that go finish as governor, why they will go hustle, when they know how much they don't carry
exactly
behind their back. You get
you
me?
understand?
I feel relate to waiting Godwin they talk. The time where this guy they in power, Joshua Darie, we get one event like that where we go for, and truthfully, before the event starts, I know if I not go forget, because when I get it, I don't even know say the governor go sit down, go stand close to where I did. So surprisingly, na tongue give me handshake. What's your name? Nice to meet you. But no be lie, the table long. Oh my God!
That's why they budget 1.8 billion for feeding for household work in a year.
I see food like this
because if you go there, you be like say they swim inside food.
God, you get what I think.
You understand?
You see these two things when I talk, so I'm waiting to lead to this conversation. You know, everybody wants a better Nigeria. I believe so. All of us for here actually want a better Nigeria. But you don't ever ask yourself, can you live and exist in that better Nigeria? Knowing fully well, say, some of the things when they complain now, it don't benefit us. Now we even think they're all right now. So having a better Nigeria means say that thing, they go stop her.
Exactly. But
they go cut her. But you don't have to say, can you live in that better Nigeria?
You know what I know, we live for better Nigeria.
God, be sincere.
No man, give you perfect example.
Be sincere.
No, man, tell you why. You know, so for Lagos, all of us they drive like mad people. The moment they mount camera where they find us, how many of us they drive like? If I know we anticipate the light to stop us. You understand? And they see like 5 seconds. It remain 5 seconds. You don't change to amber. I go stop. Person them back the horn. I say, "You're only they talk." And then they go because that camera they watch me. Before if camera know they don't speed pass. You understand?
But you know the meaning of a better Nigeria. That one me say. If na 5 naira you decide cheat me off, I fit carry you go court.
Exactly. Now accountability.
Na 2 naira. And you decide sell for me 5 naira.
See,
now everybody go pay for that. Are we ready for that?
The better Nigeria way they talk, 9B accountability, punishment for misbehavior. All of us they drive like mad people.
Nothing like I know my brother.
They put camera. We begin drive like people who get sense. It's the same thing. You thief government money, then jail you. Your children in their school. They find out whether another money they pay their school fees.
You break any rules and regulations, you go for it. You pay fine.
Your children they school, university, whatever, private university or abroad, they can't find out saying that government money where you thief. They trace the things saying that they pay the school fees. Then block everything, seize all your assets. They don't say if you pay the children school fees again, your children then drive them from school. When people don't see punishment for this man with his government money affecting wife and children generation, everybody go think twice. The reason why all this
thing they say we go feel
that because we never get leaders we're ready to do it. Why me and you no carry gun go rob bank? Because we no say they catch us, we will go kiri. Punishment today. But you get the kind runs where me and you go do now. We go see explain our way out of the thing. You get that's how they go tell if like last man hold you now or via you all those people, they get rules. If they carry you reach office, nobody go beg for you. You must pay, no matter who you know. But if you talk your way out of the wala for road.
But you don't say better Nigeria not give you that time.
Exactly. If you know, say no how you go explain your
from Oga.
Yeah. If you know, say you know if you explain yourself out for road, you go watch what they do. Last man don't hold me before say I park for side. Me my bank they there. I want pick somebody. I know if you say then I just drive enter bank. Go park for bank. I don't want to use do any ATM or anything. Make somebody. I just stop. You know this 5 seconds. The guy enter. Last man don't block me for front. There is like 10 inside their van. 2 different last man van. Come and say obstruction of what they are. So when they take on like James Bond, I say okay fine. Calm down. Who is in charge? They say see the Oga for front there. I give the guy my key. Calm down. See my guy. Give him the key. Calm down. Go meet the Oga. Say Oga you block the road. I say I know. You understand? I have to pick somebody, but no traffic. He said you're not supposed to park there. I said, but I don't see any sign here. He said this was the day, but I said, okay, fine, no vex. He said they were good to go office. I said now me. So you want carry me go office now to go find me? I look like somebody will be the problem of this country. I said okay, Oga. I said okay. Based on I said if person commit crime, they can't go. Sometimes court go say based on self recognition, we release you. I said release me on self recognition. I mean, wait now. Now me be first voice, NaijaFM. He said, hey. Meanwhile, 2 of the boys they say, Baba first voice. We know, Mama first voice. And all they say, okay, I bet next time.
Better Nigeria things like that.
Wait now, they say, wait now, they say, no what. The next year they call, they said, they can't take picture with me. You understand?
Better Nigeria
with me. The moment they snap with me, they let me go. Now, I know, say, if you talk my way out because I be first voice.
But
if they better Nigeria, come one, I don't talk my way out.
Yeah.
I go enter the bank, JJ. So now I tell you so. Now everything starts and ends with leadership.
So
if the leader put your foot down,
you sure say if you adjust with all our bank character,
now somebody now insist now say if you want to do your paper, you must go VIO office. Make them inspect your car.
And without the adjust.
Not all of us they go now. Now before you go make sure your car they okay because if it fail you.
Yeah.
Now that's why they be the ripple effect go come. Just like when they talk say we know the boy they run to contest now. We not the one where don't they give us example of say they say may build presidential law. You say no. We don't hear the testimony now. They say even the governors will take over. They testify of how much they meet for account. How many governors for this country you know they leave money for account? You know Nigerian governors they move with bags of money. I don't say governors see someone say, how are you? What's happening here? They are doing an event. Oh, who's the person? They call the person. They say, oh really? Where is he? They call like say, it's your birthday. Give him one. They get one bag.
So all this
happy birthday.
You see,
they get one bag.
System now.
Say happy birthday.
Benefit some people.
Yes.
Don't say people. You shouldn't survive for a better Nigeria.
Now I tell you so. If that governor now the leader of a part of the country of one of the if you divide this country into 36, that governor now one of the 36 leaders of this country, right? 36 leaders out of 200 million people. One of that person they move with bags of 1 million. You see somebody to do birthday way, popular person. Say, okay, give him one. Give him 1 million. You ask yourself, now in personal money they carry work.
Now state money now.
Exactly. If that governor decides I no go give him one, that person go say, I see governor agree time, you no even give me shishi. He go testify to your other colleagues.
So that person no go expect
the state don't they change. The next time when that person see that governor, you no go expect
anything.
You understand?
Yeah.
Fashola now he start say, no siren for me as a governor. Somebody come, no siren. Someone look now, no siren. Somebody needs to start. No, Lagos State governors don't go with siren. Now Fashola started. When Tinubu they use siren. Fashola now he say, yes. Fashola now he say,
so
I no go use siren.
If governor not dey blow siren, who be all those people wey dey blow siren for inside Lagos?
Police, people get where the law permit to blow siren now. Police, ambulance.
You get some people say governor not fit blow siren. No other person
police get right to blow. Police get right to blow siren. Police, fire service, ambulance, they must blow siren.
That is understandable.
Exactly, but governor, see governor. Except maybe they don't change that.
But most time, this
hold on.
They
know they ever do siren.
Police, not they blow siren on their own. If not be individual, they carry for back.
Now they tell you so. Now if they carry that individual, not be the governor.
So the individual big pass governor. If governor not
the individual not even supposed carry this use siren. Now they tell you so. See, the governor don't talk and say they use siren and make nobody they use siren. But you see, governor no go there everywhere at the same time.
Exactly.
Governor they try set an example.
Exactly.
So why the other people not agree follow?
Because they go not.
Now get we dey talk about
he get some people wey no go follow am. For instance, military go always use siren.
Yeah.
Even when emergency no dey. You know if you see where chief of defence staff or you never see when chief of army staff.
We no dey go there now.
Military
na even far from.
He get one time. No, now I tell you so. For an example, if the chief of army staff decide to move without siren, other junior officers no go move without siren. They don't move with siren. You understand? I don't see when Buratai be chief of army staff, Lieutenant General Tuko Buratai, during the first tenure of President Buhari, between 2015 and 2019, he they go to mainland bridge. I no pass Obura, pass that Yaba side to come out from that side. From the moment where they Okeroduro they go, I notice the entire road. Soldiers there everywhere, the place free, they control traffic. Watching they happen for this road. I just they go. Meanwhile, Tomiland bridge don't block. You know, as a driver, they come outside from that, they go that Yaba side to go join the bridge halfway. Now I notice the bridge free, but they see people they come from Oworo. Traffic full reach the half of the bridge. What place would they take join from Yaba? Then block 2 military van, don't block the Tomiland park, block the place. Nobody is moving because chief of army staff won't pass that Yaba side. So as I dey front, now they wonder say something must be going on. Now I hear siren for my back. As I look inside my mirror. The moment I see the gunship and everything they call, I know say that chief of army, and only one of two people, chief of army staff or chief of defense staff. When I come notice the car, 3 stars at the front, I just park by the side of the road. I say the guy take left. Now they say so now chief of army staff won't pass, then block Tomiland bridge to pass first until the man come out of sight. Those military vans come follow for back before they come free the traffic. Now if that man no try that thing, 1 2-star general no go try am.
And because he don't do am.
Now the leadership what would they talk about? So if
we hope say one day we go reach there.
Yes.
Just so this one be like advice to people when they use hotel. This one not be news, but I think because a video started the trend of recently, more used to talk about whether you be sugar daddy when they use hotel, the frequent hotel, you be husband and wife when they like go hotel, you be young person when they like go hotel. It's of great importance now. Say anytime you reach hotel room, carry your camera off all light.
On your camera,
video.
like say one video, you want record, yes.
Because for every system, because why this thing they go now, they say some hotels they put camera, hidden camera inside hotel. So most times you they do your woo inside hotel, because most times I enjoy all of us they go do for hotel. As you they do your woo, then they live streamer to all these pornography sites.
Yes.
Wow.
So that they use you make money.
Without your knowledge.
Some people video that pornography they don't know because they know they go there. Their family member never go there. So this is an advice. Because I say video yesterday, I just want to talk about an extension right now. Say if you reach hotel on your camera, because for every CCTV camera when they put or the camera, it be like remote. They get a hidden light,
yes.
So by the time you on your camera off all lights, that your camera fit detect.
You go detect, yes. You go. Then now we they blink red.
Yes.
Then you can't no say camera
dey.
this song. Don't know.
Whoever feel say you dey paranoid, maybe if you say you dey paranoid.
Yes.
But shall just make sure say you do am. Because
be
I don't know why people go always dey divide. Because let me say, if you know the numbers of, if you like one judge me, I go through this video yesterday. If you know the numbers of Nigeria pornography,
where did
that place? So now the one where they shoot by themselves.
Some now unknown.
Some now know. Like it's massive. Without pass on you, but when it comes to shooting up pornography,
you don't say they go do research. If you go discover some people, we don't say they there.
You get person when I see this, when I say to that was, if black person when I know, only because they ask me, you sure say this person.
Now then they go to say maybe the person double, maybe somebody resemble now.
Double ganger.
So please be extra careful before you say you go enjoy yourself and your video can't find a way enter all these streaming platforms.
Yeah, Lady J.
Before we come out, I go let me touch light on this matter. When I see I shock like say I don't know anything to talk. Now this Nigerian parent will send her pikin to school for Ghana. So all these years now where she they pay in school fees, she don't know say the guy never.
You know they go school.
But you know they go. Don't be saying they go.
No, I say they go read medicine. What they say be doctor. In they read medicine, but you know they school. Just the collect money.
No be medicine. No be medicine. Another course. The course now 4-year course.
So what happen?
So the mama she don't calculate and say from this time so this time to this time my pikin go don finish school. She can't travel go in graduation. She can't go there. She sit down now. She can't notice say they call other students. They no call her own
son.
Her son. What happen? And they can't find out say the guy he no write exams. So as it is now, he gets carry over. So extra years. Say that day and then so she just collapse. Say she don't they send money all these years. This boy know they go school.
Why she said they go graduation without the pikin knowing? The pikin invite her.
But as a parent, would you go?
No, you cannot by yourself be calculating. Say by 4 years you go down graduate, go graduation because you go ask your pikin when make it tell you may you come. Even when we dey school, we know boys where they follow us hang out play board. For Lagos they send them allowance, they send us allowance, but they never get admission. They hope to get admission. But as they do for 1 year to the next year,
because they don't want to go back house
for their parents' mind.
For
the very night they did 200 level now. Meanwhile they fail jam. They never see get their want him. As long as they go 200 level, we can see them every day. We know, but the only difference is say they know the student. Some of them they even come class, sit down, lecture. But when time reach for test, they no go write. That day we won't do test, they no come. Exam they no come. Then they hope to some of them can finally get admission one way or the other. When some of us don't spend 3 years, they can't start. For the first year, they will come go tell their parents something happened. No, so they say instead of them to rusticate me, make a change department. So I need to go back to 1 year, go back 2 years, whatever. We know people like that. Parents don't just wake up say, and they're gonna begin graduation. Your begin no invite you.
Some people be there of the opinion say, which are not to see 100% reason to say. Some parents they do on a NAS visit. To just know how
Your school they go.
How your children do inside
your
school?
Your parents never visit you for school?
Get. No, they were late.
No, my own parents visit me.
Your parents visit you begin now.
They visit
me. I go to visit my daughter. God no. Unannounced visit.
And me, I
yes,
tell my mother say I know they invite to come graduation. My mother they calculate with me. As I they finish like this. My mama don't tell all her friends already. Say baby, if I graduate you and
I go visit my daughter unannounced. But all my years for school, my parents
no visiting.
Now what you will tell them they believe? Would they strike? Okay,
my
they strike.
Come.
No, they strike. My parents don't know where my school day. They only know say Nazaria. They no come there one day. If I tell them say I need 10,000 to do one thing, my mama don't send her straight.
Your school far. Your Nazaria long.
Now why most parents they like make their children they closer. Now we come here
your drive this year.
How many hours from Lagos to Djibouti?
Why I just say I like the idea because it they put some kind of sense into the pikin body.
Exactly.
You don't know where your papa and mama show up, so you don't want to do anyhow.
And then my parents so part of doing make their mind rest. Me and my two other sisters did the same school.
So
those ones they be like people they watch over me.
They be like your guardian.
They be two other sisters exactly. So
I know parents will be say their pikin they resume as first year. I no go mention this day. First year for university shot. So they can't tell them say from time to time they go come they see her. Then they get come they sad. She say why they want come see her. They want embarrass her. She be small picking. They want embarrass her. She no want to. Make them stay house. Make at least they get phone. Make them they communicate by phone. Make them no come there.
Now slave queen she be. You know say some people they go live different life.
And then it depend on that.
And
then if the picking parent a big name, they go like they come.
Most people based on most people was university when they want me their parents. Like my say they not there.
Like my son went tell me say like my son went tell me say he want hang out with some of his friends. 8 of them they come house. I say you're bringing 8 people to this house. So I don't even forget it. The moment I open door and enter,
you see crowd.
See then I say they come begin they take selfie with me.
Yes, I don't tell you. They say my papa first voice.
They don't already know for class. One of them see me for super sport.
Okay.
When they come right in, go there right. Come like that. That's my son say.
Does your
daddy go in the room? Is it the one already? And say yeah, take up time. Felix daddy is a celebrity.
Now I made a plan.
If I will go pick him. If I go pick them for school, if I just park like this, the women then come out, you go see students go they pass. Good afternoon, sir. They smile.
But imagine say you not the first verse, not the word. You think your picking will be talented on the first one, or you just be popular. So all these things they make I not see to like the idea. Make parents they just batching enter because at university there's self responsibility when the they get already. So and also then. They don't tell their friends say I'm doing well. Then when your papa and mama come be like,
you know what I'm going to do for my daughter. You know what I'm going to do for my daughter. Maybe I won't go visit my daughter. I feel just call see me. You around. I will go visit my daughter. Anyone big name for nobody. You know that kind of thing.
Better can't go.
When
so your daughter go run come outside home. When you trek enter school.
Call one of your big name friends. I never go visit my son. You go. You understand that kind of thing.
All right, now all today on Top Across the Bridge. Now time for Tinkling News. Don't go anywhere. See you tomorrow for the Wednesday edition of Money Runs. We don't.
You get on top the original NaijaFM 102.7. We radio.